Welcome to another lazy travel. We're just waiting because you can't leave your room without being escorted.
You should have booked a hotel closer to the airport and could have got the early flight.
We still wouldn't have been able to get it.
Get your camera out of my bag.
Doesn't look like you got a grey mask. Where's the pink one?
That's in my suitcase.
This is what boredom does to you.
You've got 22 minutes. You need shampoo, conditioner, after sun cream, moisturiser, flip-flops and hats. And you have to get a hat too. Because you've got dark hair, even though it's balding out.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that receding hairline.
Look at it.
Gee.
Just because you got dry shins.
I haven't got dry shins. Got 9 minutes.
9 minutes. It's go time. We're at the airport about 3 hours early. That's got to be better than being out of the room, isn't it? Not quite sure what the sticker's for, but just we're too early to check in. We finally figured it out, and we've already walked past it. Let's hope your bag's not overweight. Hi there. Do you want this one?
Did you just out from state? Did you have the COVID test? It's over 24. It's over 72 hours.
Yeah, but we've just left quarantine, so it shouldn't matter.
Maybe when you arrive somewhere, you have to home quarantine again for 14 days. For home quarantine, not state quarantine, not hospital.
We got told that it's fine, that as soon as we leave our quarantine hotel, we can go straight to Samui. And our hotel said that yes, that's fine with this, and we book our flights. So they'll tell us when we get there.
Yeah, they will separate you to the hotel and then you.
We're not in the best mood now, are we? Come halfway around the world and we're going to eat McDonald's and Burger King. The whole place is like a shed.
Yours is over there.
You want to go out?
We will be. We're going to grab our bags, but do we have a key and stuff?
Yeah.
All here, yeah.
Lovely.
Thank you very much.